Hey everybody, Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. Just wanted to show a quick way for you to find your P&L on any positions using Tastytrade desktop platform. Have to do this on the desktop, can't do it on phone or the website that I'm aware of. Anyway, when you have your main screen up, click on the Positions tab, then click on the P&L button, and it's going to show your P&L on all of your positions for default. If you want to click on individual ones, you could click the top check mark here so it clears it all out. And for instance, let me look at my safeguards that I currently have on. I'm not going to count the PDSs that are not there. That probably won't count anyway. So I'm just going to click on the top of the grouping. Here's one. And then just find the other ones that have the naked puts on as well. There, here, here. You go to MESM, here, here, here. And then on the main tab, you can see if SPY goes at a certain value, you'll see where the profits would be under hover price. Hover price is actually where SPY is. It's hover value. So right now, my hover value, anywhere from here around 445 or so and up, be making about $1,025 off these. If I go higher, some of these put debit spreads will start to hit. And if you look at the hover value, it's going to be going up as SPY or MESES drop. So right now the peak is around 3,500 or so, and that's around 415-ish or so. So a pretty neat way to see the possible profits and losses of any positions. You don't have to do safeguard, you can do others. So again, P&L. And then you could click on an individual position. You could see what the profit and losses are. So hopefully this helps. Could be a good visual way to see how your positions are going. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time.